Hey everyone, in this video I want to share a cool idea I've had for a while, and it's about using a hybrid control setup with both mouse and controller at the same time. This way you can get a smoother and better experience while driving. So let's dive in and see how it works. If I talk about my driving experience with the controller, it's pretty bad for me because I found it hard to steer smoother with the thumbstick. But I do love the analog input it offers, which I can later map it for throttle and brake in game. So I came up with this idea of having a hybrid control method where I can hold the controller with my left hand and use my right hand for mouse steering. But to make it work, we need to change some settings in controls file since the game does not allow using mouse and controller at the same time. But before making any changes, take a backup of this file just in case something goes wrong. Open this file in Notepad, press Ctrl plus F and look for C underscore mouse steer and change its value from 0 to 1. Next, search for C underscore relapse steer and change its value from 1 to 0. That's it, don't forget to save the file. Once you're done making changes in the controls file, you can now launch the game. Go to control section in game and select keyboard plus X input gamepad 1 from the drop down menu. And over here, set the controller subtype to wheel. Now on screen you can see my mouse and controller mapping with in-game keybinds and mouse sensitivity. If you want, you can pause my video, take a screenshot or set it to your preference. And that's all it takes to have a hybrid control setup. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, give it a like, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.